Morning guys, Wednesday morning here. We got this XT&T gapping up 294%. We also are going to be watching this mRNA out of the gates for continuation from a pretty good move, solid move yesterday. Started Monday and Tuesday in the green. Let's look to continue that trend today. Got about 5 minutes to the bell. Alright guys, watching this mRNA. Looking for a flush towards 70 to start a position. Here we go. Starting in long mRNA. Looking for the break over 70-80. All right. Just gonna jump out there. Not the best trade in the world. $331. Let me show you what I was looking at here on my Thinkorswim chart. So we had this huge sell down into this level, and I really wanted to get short this morning, but I took my eyes off of it and missed this huge wash. Look at it now. And I missed a huge wash, so I decided to just take a little scalp trade off that level. And we'll continue watching it throughout the morning. Really selling off good here. Alright, watching for the next leg down to start initiating the long position on a breakthrough 69. Here we go. See, down towards 68. No, getting bought up. Let's see if we can get another push down. There's going to be a nice bounce on this, but it could drop 10% before that happens, so got to be careful. I'll pause it until it makes that move. Alright, it's now breaking out of this bear flag. Let's see if it wants to give us another push lower or if it's going to be a trap. This nice bear flag we have here, and then it breaks through the lows. You should get a nice flush like we're seeing now. There we go. Get a push down towards 68. Sometimes you get a fake out on these moves, so I like to be ready to join the trap. I like to see a break to 68.40 here to start initiating a position. Alright. I think this is going to be a trap. Stop below the lows. Let's get a push. I'm going to see a break up here. Looks like we might get stopped out. Not going to give it much room. We're really just looking for 69.40 area. I'm going to put a range. There we go. So that was a pretty sizable loser. Puts us down about 800 bucks on the day. Continue watching it and put the pause button on. Alright, so I've scrapped my way out of the hole. Took a few more trades on this mRNA. When I get down big, I like to take a few small trades. I wasn't down huge, well within the average standard deviation of my daily range, you could say. But when I get down over $1,000, I like to just take a few base hits, get back in the swing of things. So the first trade, this was a losing trade right here, stopped out right here. So we got a nice wash, got long, sold into the quick pop. Did that a few more times on the washes, risking off prior lows. and I managed to wiggle my way out of that hole. We're back flat on the day, and if I take any more trades, I will record them. Alright, I'm watching this mRNA again. I'm looking for a push. There's a level down about 66. So I'd like to see a flush. I'll pause it for now. Here we go. Alright, we're long mRNA. I'm going to put a couple range orders out. Alright, so we ended up getting most of our shares taken out on this pop. We got long into this kind of slow grind. This, not really slow grind. We got a sharp move down, got long into it, and got taken out into the pop. So this is not an easy strategy for beginning traders, because you get tempted to add into losers like I was doing here, but you got to realize that you have to respect your stops if you're going to trade counter trend, because you can blow up your account real easy. I've been doing it for a while, and it's one of my more profitable strategies. I get long into levels, sharp parabolic moves down or up. I go against the average retail trader who is chasing, and it works for me. It doesn't work for everyone. So if you're gonna trade counter trend, you got to realize that you're gonna be down, and you have to be able to handle that emotionally, and you have to be able to respect your stop when you're down. So if this would have came, I'm not gonna get out into weakness, okay? I'm buying into weakness. I'm going to get out. If there's a pop and then it breaks the low again, I get out. So for example, my average price is right, let's say it was $66, okay? So if I get long into this. My average price is 66, and we get a little pop up towards 66, and then we fail and roll back over. My stop is going to be right here at the prior low, and that's how I protect myself. All right, so that may do it for me today, but if I do take another trade, I'll record it. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for me today. We started the day with a red loser in a $1,000 hole, and we fought our way out to end the day up about $1,000. Can't complain. Starting the week with 3 green days in a row. We'll look to continue it tomorrow. Make sure you hit that like button, punch it in the ball, slap it in the face, make it your bitch, and subscribe as well. And I appreciate it. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.